Today, when you first got the drone, you have to open the propeller. Okay, after all the propeller is open, then you need to install the battery. The battery is inside here. So this is the button. Press down and then you take it out. Press down and then you take it out. So this is the battery. Okay, and you have to install the battery before you can flying. Okay, after you install the battery, and then you need to close the cap. You need to close the cap. Okay, and then there's a button. This is the power on button. Press and you can see all the LED is flashing. Okay, and then take out your remote controller. Power on. Okay, up and down is to pairing the remote control with the drone propeller. Okay, to flying, first time flying, please fly in open space. Okay, you press up, you can see you can see the propeller is turning. Once you press up again, it's flying. Okay, better play in open space for your first time. Okay, thank you for watching.